This is a pivotal moment in American justice history, where the line between accountability and political retaliation becomes dangerously blurred. Just days after President Trump publicly demanded the Department of Justice take immediate action against former FBI Director James Comey, the former director was charged with perjury and obstruction of justice. Charges that now threaten to reshape the very foundation of federal law enforcement. What began as a routine congressional testimony about the FBI's investigation into Russian interference in the 2016 election has spiraled into a high-stakes legal battle that exposes deep fractures in the balance of power between the executive branch and the judiciary. But here's where it gets controversial. Did Trump's public pressure push the DOJ to act in a way that prioritizes political loyalty over legal integrity? Comey's indictment comes just weeks after he was fired by Trump during the 2016 presidential campaign for refusing to drop the Russia probe, a decision that sparked fierce criticism from both sides of the aisle. Now, as the former director faces potential prison time, the question lingers. Is this a case of due process or a political vendetta? Comey's charges stem from his 2020 testimony before the Senate Judiciary Committee, where he allegedly lied about the FBI's investigation into Russian interference. The government claims he obstructed a congressional inquiry by withholding information, but Comey insists he was innocent and confident in the judicial system. His Instagram video, which reads like a plea for fairness, echoes the sentiments of millions who fear the erosion of democratic norms when power becomes a weapon. The controversy deepens when you consider the chain of events leading to this moment. After Trump replaced the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, a position once held by Eric Siebert, the new appointee, Lindsey Halligan, faced resistance from prosecutors who lacked clear evidence to charge Comey. Despite this, Halligan pushed for an indictment, a move critics argue reflects a dangerous shift toward using the justice system as a tool for political retribution. As one source put it, this isn't just about a single case, it's about who controls the levers of justice. What makes this story even more complex is the broader context of Trump's administration. From targeting individuals like Lisa Cook to reshaping federal agencies, the president has been accused of weaponizing the DOJ to silence opponents. Comey's case is now at the center of this debate, with his defense team arguing that the charges are a political kangaroo court. As Patrick J. Fitzgerald, Comey's lawyer, said, "We look forward to vindicating him in the courtroom." And this is the part most people miss. The real test of this case isn't just about Comey's guilt or innocence. It's about whether the federal judiciary can remain impartial in the face of political pressure. If the courts fail here, the consequences could be far-reaching, undermining public trust in the very institutions meant to protect democracy. So, what do you think? Is this a case of justice being served, or is it a warning about the dangers of letting politics override the rule of law? Share your thoughts in the comments below.